Happy 60th birthday, Pa!
Happy birthday!
Wish you more birthdays to come. God bless. And
Wishing you good health. And sorry we can't be there.
but we'll see you on Christmas.
See you on Christmas. And we have some surprise videos from your loved ones as well. Hope you like it.
Hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, bye.
Birthday.
Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to the most loving, generous, and ever supportive father. Welcome to the
Your club.
Your club.
Seniors Club. We appreciate you for being the handyman in the house whenever you are around. And we thank you for always taking good care of our babies whenever we are at work.
Thank you po pa sa pag-atiman sa amo. Misang mga dagko nami, akong mga igsuon. Misang layo pero imong concern pero may nagya po kag tawag everyday sa amo and we wish you good health and more travel with you,
More adventure.
adventure. Apil guys to.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Alex. How are you? We're going to greet you a happy birthday and we wish you all the happiness in the world, good health, more blessings, prosperity, and abundance. We are thankful that you have reached that far of your age because others were denied of that privilege. And we are also happy that you have a very nice family who are so
Supportive.
who are so supportive,
Loving.
loving, and understanding. Again, we wish you a happy birthday and more years to come. Advance Merry Christmas and hope to see you soon on summer. Have a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Alex. Welcome to the world of senior.
Hi, brother! Happy birthday! Wishing you lots of luck, good health, and wealth on your birthday. I wish you, brother. I love you. Enjoy your day. Bye!
Hello, Brother Dodong Alex. Welcome to the club. Senior na gyud ka. Pasalamat yun ta nga niabot ka aning idara. Wish ko lang sa imo, Bro Alex, stay healthy and be strong. Be strong and hatagan pa kag taas pang kinabuhi. O laban lang ta kung unsa may umabot sa ato ang kinabuhi. O once again, enjoy your Natal Day with your family to the fullest. I love you, my brother Alex. I miss you. Bye!
Hi, Dong. Happy birthday to you. To my brother who is very generous and kind. Wishing you all this year with endless happiness and healthy. God bless you always. We love you. Happy birthday.
Favorite brother diha, happy birthday. Ikaw naman diha akong brother diha ba? Wishing you a good health and more blessings.
Happy birthday. Stay healthy.
We love you.
Hello, happy birthday to my brother who is spending his 60th birthday. I wish you all the blessings and best and pink of health every day. I wish to spend your 60th birthday with you. Alex or Dudong is the very generous brother. He is like my papa who is very concerned to his siblings. He is the amazing brother that I had. I wish to spend with your birthday, and I hope that we see each other here in New York or in the Philippines And I very thankful also to my sister-in-law who is taking care of my brother Alex. Thank you very much, and I love you both. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alex Jr. Happy birthday to you. I love you. Enjoy your day.
Hiya, Brother Alex. It's me, Kathy Morelos, and the Cruisers from Arizona, now in Chicago, Illinois, all the way to Florida. Wishing you a happy 60th birthday. We love you so much. Bye.
Hi Pa, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day and I pray that you are always in good health and please always take care of yourself and Mama. I love you. See you soon Pa.
Hello Tito, happy birthday. 60 na jud ka. So triple or dual citizen na ka Tito. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Of course, amo duha ni Shane, and wishing you all the best wishes, and of course good health and more blessings to come. Happy 60th birthday Tito Alex.
Lex, happy birthday. Wishing you a year of good health, wealth, and happiness. You're not getting old. You're just becoming vintage. Congratulations on turning 60. Wishing you all the best, Brad.
Happy birthday to one of my favorite cousins, Dodong Alex Jr. When Orla asked me to do a little speech for your birthday, my first question was, is your dad coming home to the Philippines for his 60th birthday? The answer was no. Anyways, wherever and however you celebrate your birthday, my spirit is with you. I was just hoping it will be in Cagayan de Oro, an excuse to see you again. Dong, as I fondly remember during our younger days, you are more like Uncle Alex, the most generous, soft-spoken guy, and I see that in you. Anyways, in behalf of the Villaverdes family, we wish you a very, very happy birthday and good health for the next years to come. We love you, Dong. Bye-bye.
Kasi matindi yung...
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Dodong Alex! Welcome to dual citizenship. Enjoy your special day. And God bless everything in your life. See you soon this coming Christmas.
Happy birthday, Dong! Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy!
Bye.
Hello tol, kamusta? Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday
to you tol! Kita-kita ta! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! God bless tol! Amping mo dia! Bye!
Happy birthday, Alex! Happy 60th birthday! Welcome to the club. Welcome to Senior's Life. By Lex, fresh pa kayo sa kuha ang atuang life dito sa Bulton. That we were still, that time that we were still young, energetic, unya kiat lang agi. No, but well, thanks be to God that He allowed us to reach this age. Salamat yung kayo sa Ginoo. And my wish for you, siguro, not just more happiness, but a purposeful life. No, kinabuhi nga satisfied ka. I know that you are already satisfied with your life right now. with gingging nga naa sa imuha, imong mga anak, ang imong mga apo. Lex, enjoy your day. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Tol. Wishing you all the best. Good health, happiness, and prosperity. Enjoy your special day with your loving wife, Mary-Ann, and your family. Double citizens ka na, Tol. Daghan na og benefits baga. Happy birthday to us, Tol.